At SpaceGuard Products, we're committed to providing protection when it matters most. Whether you're expanding your manufacturing operations, rushing to open an entirely new distribution facility, or have a specific project that requires our safety and security expertise, we are here to help. Because at SpaceGuard, we know safety. We understand the dangers inherent with mobile equipment. We protect your facility and everything stored in it from the ground up. Also, with the continued trend towards industrial automation, we offer several readily available options to meet the needs of each unique application. At SpaceGuard, we know security. Your products, your equipment, and most importantly, your people need to be protected from inside your walls and beyond. Your customers' data requires the highest level of physical protection. At SpaceGuard, we embrace innovation. In today's fast-paced world, safety and security requirements are constantly evolving. Our dedicated team of engineers are continually innovating our products to stay ahead of the latest trends. Our leadership team is involved in developing the latest industry standards and testing methodology. We aim to deliver the most agile and easily installed guarding solutions on the market. Finally, at SpaceGuard, we deliver. We use the latest technology to manufacture unrivaled quality and workmanship. Our state-of-the-art powder coating lines ensures all solutions are built to last. With all of our solutions manufactured in Central Indiana, we offer 4 brands that can be delivered nationwide in less than 2 weeks. Find out why SpaceGuard Products is the choice of Fortune 500 companies, successful 3PLs, our United States military, and the most modern data centers. Because at SpaceGuard, we secure, guard, and protect.